everybody, it's Paul again with RC Foam Fighters. Today we're going to be trying out the new prototype here I got, the FoamFighter15. It's the plane's kind of inspired by the F-15. Today's going to be the maiden flight. I'm going to do a short little video here on my site, but I'm also going to have the extended version on the RC Foam Fighters channel on YouTube, so please check that out too.
You're on.
Okay, here we go for the maiden flight.
I told you it would be, man.
Not bad for the maiden flight, man.
You done a full throttle pass yet?
Yeah,
I think it's a little one.
okay, that's the maiden flight of our new FoamFighter15. It's made from foam board.
Part of the new foam board series.
To do, but it looks like it's pretty dialed right off the first flight. That's it.